Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to keep Windows always on top with PowerToys. This locks any application window directly to the foreground of your screen, preventing it from disappearing behind other folders or web browsers when you click away to work. First, click the Start button, type PowerToys, and select PowerToys Settings. Look at the navigation sidebar menu on the left side and click on Always on Top. Locate the toggle switch at the very top explicitly labeled Enable Always on Top and click it to flip it completely on. Close the settings window, head over to your desktop workspace, and click directly on the specific application window you want to pin. Press the default universal shortcut keys, Windows key plus Control plus T, simultaneously on your keyboard. A colored tracking border will instantly wrap around the edges of the application window, and a subtle confirmation chime will play to show the foreground lock is active. You can now drag other software windows completely underneath this pinned application without it dropping out of view. To release the application from the foreground, simply highlight the window again and press Windows key plus Control plus T a second time to drop it back to normal behavior. And that's it. Your foreground window pinning is now completely enabled and operational. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.